Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Selena Zenchuk. If you are new here, welcome. My channel is about DIY, natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. We will be very happy to have you over. To my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming over. In today's video, we are going to be looking at our nighttime moisturizer that help with acne, black spots, blemishes, dry skin. So let's just jump right into it. Our first oil we will be using is sunflower oil. It is a great source of vitamin E, rich in nutrients and antioxidants, and is effective for combating skincare issues like acne, inflammation, general redness, and irritation of the skin. Sunflower oil has emollient properties that help the skin retain its moisture. We will be adding in half teaspoon of sunflower oil. Our next ingredient is sweet almond oil. Thanks to the vitamin E, sweet almond oil keeps your skin cells healthy, protects your skin from UV radiation damage, and helps your skin look smooth, soft, and free of fine lines. The fatty acids help your skin retain moisture and can heal chapped and irritated skin. Plus, the vitamin A can help reduce acne. Also, vitamin E has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps in healthy skin and appearance. It reduces inflammation and makes your skin look younger. We will be adding in half teaspoon of vitamin E. Organic neem oil works as a natural substitute for anti-aging products and as a protection agent against skin damage caused by UV rays. It deeply penetrates skin to restore moisture. It enhances elasticity, smooths wrinkles, stimulates collagen production, and heals cracks caused by dryness. Aloe vera gel has a lot of uses. It contains antioxidants, vitamin A and C, and it is highly anti-inflammatory. It can help treat burns, acne, and dry skin, and help keep your skin moisturized. We will be using 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. The essential fatty acids that castor oil contains help in restoring the skin's natural moisture balance. Castor oil also inhibits melanin production and lightens dark spots, which hazel removes excess oil and lifts away debris, bacteria, and other impurities. It shrinks large pores without over-drying your skin. It can also help even out your skin tone, treat blemishes on the face and the entire body. Thanks to shea butter for having a highly concentrated fatty acids and vitamins, making it ideal for cosmetics ingredient for softening skin. Shea butter also has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Using shea butter on your body, especially your face, can condition, tone, and soothe your skin. Shea butter is also a great butter to keep on your natural hair. It moisturizes your hair, eliminates breakage, dryness, and damage. I read an article online about skincare products that had chemicals in it that can destroy your skin. So for the past 3 years, I've been using shea butter on my skin and also my girls. I normally make up my own shea butter mixture, and then that is what I use in my skincare product. I also use it on my hair. When you are buying your shea butter, just make sure it is 100% shea butter and it is not mixed with any other ingredients. My company sells raw organic shea butter directly from Ghana, West. I will be using 1 cup of shea butter in this mixture. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C and its role is collagen production, which makes vitamin C a vital molecule for skin health. It has beneficial effects on skin cells. It is high in antioxidants, vitamin A, C, and E. I will be using 1 teaspoon. I'm first just going to use the whisk to mix everything up together. And then when I get it into a butter form, or when I get all the ingredients to hold together, before I will go in with my hand mixer. While we are doing this, I just want to share few information with you that can help you to keep your skin acne free and clear all year round. If you look at most of my videos, you will see that my skin is natural in those videos. I do not have any makeup on, and my skin is very clear of acne and acne scars. Number 1 you can do is make sure you drink a lot of water. Our body is made of 90% water. So all of those organs in our body need water for it to function properly. So you drinking less water is very bad for your overall health. And all I know some of us love to wear makeup for different reasons. Some is to feel confident. But one thing I can tell you is that each time you wear your makeup, make sure you do not sleep with your makeup on. Anytime I wear makeup before going to bed, I will first of all cleanse my face, and then I will exfoliate my skin. I have my DIY skin scrub that I use on my face. After that, and then I will go in with my moisturizer. Another thing you can also do if you have oily skin is make sure that you try to wash your face twice a day, or even 3 times a day if you are just home. That will help to reduce the amount of oil that your skin produces. If you also have oily skin, you can reduce the percentage of the oils that I use into this ingredient that will best fit your skin. And all the video that you see on YouTube that they cleared your skin within 1 week, that is a lie. Do not believe it. It is not possible. Clearing your skin and having beautiful skin, it takes time and patience. So if you love this video, don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.